Hello. Okay, my name is Placid, Madramany, and I represent the Energy Agency of La Ribera. That it's an energy agency just located in Valencia, in our southern, in a region of the southern of the city of Valencia. And as other energy agency, we are trying to promote the renewable energy sources and rational use of energy in our region for sure. The kind of municipalities that are grouped in our region are more or less small municipalities. The biggest is Altira, that has more or less 50,000 inhabitants. Are the smallest has less than 1,000 inhabitants. So sometimes we are trying to explain some kind of concepts, or trying to implement some actions that are impossible to be implemented in this kind of municipalities. So, due to this reason, and for sure due to the crisis, our municipalities, there are not funds, there are not money, and we have not, the most of them have not energy skilled technical personnel, for example, or civil servants. So for that reason was created the agency, and as well now we are trying to create or to implement innovative tools for getting our objective. So we are trying to exploit to use the clusters and the public-private partnerships. And in our case, the means of cluster is just to try to group the municipalities to try to implement these projects, for example. And we join the services that they need, and we try to get this critical mass, the minimum critical mass that we need to implement the project. In the case of public-private partnerships, I think that you know that what is it, but what we are trying to get is to share with the private sector the risk, and to get funds and their know-how related to the projects, and using this feature, we'll try to implement the projects. This is the kind of scheme that we have created using a PPP scheme. So the municipalities, the energy agency just takes the role of the expertise, the technical officer, and the ESCO is just with a tendering process, will try to implement the project. There are I will present some of our services addressed to the municipalities. I mean, municipalities, it's a public sector, municipal public sector. So the first service we implemented just using a cluster tool was the energy market, and it was a service just to buy energy. The idea was just the whole municipalities need this energy, so we will try to find a company, a utility that will sell this energy. So using this scheme, we have been saving money, not energy. In this service, we are saving money year by year. With this service, we will try to carry out, we implement photovoltaic plants in the municipal buildings, but using a roof rental scheme. And the idea of cluster here was, for example, we get some 5 kilowatt plants using this scheme in a small municipality. That it would have been impossible if we didn't use the cluster tool. So this is some photos. The energy manager service, so PPP. We carried out a MER project, a zero CO2 project, to create a scheme, a PPP scheme, and with this, and we are now developing another project, another MER project, Remida, that it was more or less the same objective, was to replicate to develop PPP's project. So with this service, with these projects, we have during the zero CO2 project, we make a public lighting inventory, a lighting level map, we prepare the tendering. So with this process, we we get this PPP service with this PPP contract, and an ESCO company implement the project to save energy. This is the results. We get the municipality invest 2060,000 money. So this is the result. You will have this in the next.